Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you will be watching this video from. It's your girl once again, just in one channel by Justina Christopher. And today I am here to share this great drink with you that will help in tummy fat, to burn down the fat in your tummy and all over your body. So come with me, let us prepare it together. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. And if you are my returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. So what we will be needing today for our recipe is lemon or lime, then apple, yellow or green apple we go. Then we also need cucumber for our drink. We also need pineapple for our drink. These fruits and vegetables that you will be seeing here today, they are all good for weight loss or weight management. And what we also need are 2 sticks of celery. We all know that the benefit of celery is so great, so adding it to your drink will do you a lot of good when it comes to weight loss. So we are all going to, I have already washed the whole fruit and vegetable that you are seeing here with me. So all I just need to do now is to cut them into medium pieces so that I will be able to extract it with my extractor. So I am here now cutting my apple into pieces, cleaning the apple, that's removing the seed from the medium and cleaning it to a little, cutting it into pieces so that the extractor will be able to extract the juice out. And I am also cutting my lemon. I will be cutting the lemon into 4 pieces. I am not going to remove the back. If you watch very well, I didn't remove the back. I extracted it directly like this without removing the back, because the back also have a lot of health benefits. Then I am also going to be cleaning my pineapple by removing the head and removing the back also. You clean it very well and cut them into pieces. Once that is done, once you are through cutting your pineapple, it will be impossible for you to use 1 pineapple for 1 person's drink, because the drink that I am preparing here is just for me. So I needed a container for me to save some in the fridge. So I took the ones that I will be extracting at the moment, and the rest will be kept in the fridge. So as you can see, I'm just placing some of the pineapple, already cut pineapple, into a container so that I can put it in the fridge. So once you are done with cleaning your pineapple, then we continue with the rest ingredients. You know, I just need to give the place some cleaning, because cleaning is very good when you are preparing your food or anything that you want to put in your tummy. So it is very good you clean the environment. So after cleaning, I now start it is time for me now to extract the juice. I brought out my extractor and I start extracting the juice. So as you all can see, I started with whatever you just feel like to start with. Your pineapple, your apple, your lime, your lemon, whichever one you start with first is okay. So the extract, that is the juice, continue. I continue to extract the juice with the machine. So this is all I just have for you guys today. I believe if you give this a try, you will love it. I did this and the taste was so refreshing. The taste was so cool. I drank it immediately. I didn't even wait a minute. And this was my breakfast. I used this as my breakfast. And I must tell you, if you want to give it a try, if you are trying to lose weight or you are trying to bring down tummy fat, this is one of the drinks that will help you. Mind you, if you are using this drink, you also need to control what you eat. If you need a good result, you control what you eat. You go for, you do some workout, some exercise, and you will really see good results. Yes, it's not an overnight drink that you just drink and you expect to be getting results soon. No, you have to work on yourself. You have to be patient, but I tell you, this is a drink that will help you if you are trying to lose weight or to stay healthy. So as you all can see, the extracting still continue. I'm still extracting the juice. I'm still extracting it with the machine. If you don't have the machine, you can also use a blender. You blend it, but you have to sieve it. That is just it. If you don't have a blender, you have to, if you don't have an extracting machine, sorry, you have to blend it and filter it. You have to blend it with a lot of water and filter it so that you can get enough of juice from it. But what I have here, 100% the liquid that is in the fruit and vegetable. I didn't add any water to it. So that is why this machine is very important, and it's very low in price. You can even see the one of 30, 40 euro, 50 euro, depending on the country you are. So if you are someone that is trying to keep healthy, trying to lose some weight, you surely need this machine so that you can make a fresh juice from home. So as you all can see, our juice is ready to be consumed. Very, very, very tasty. Very tasty. I really love the taste. You just need to give this juice a try and you will never regret it. Thank you for watching me today. Till I come your way again. Love you. Bye.